The weather outside is getting hotter and hotter, making trips out a real pain, especially with a backpack. And sometimes it can be really embarrassing. Something's gotta change. And we've got that change right now. The answer is the iCoolPack. A stylish, smart backpack that keeps you cool when you're going out and even on dates. The iCoolPack is the world's first backpack with a powerful fan cooling system to keep you cool when you're on the move. You can control the individual fans by smartphone. You can even set a timer for your fans. The iCoolPack is also integrated with a charging system to be used with tablets and smartphones. And with 3 USB charging ports, you can charge up to 3 devices at once. You control your charging status through your smartphones. You want to charge your devices on the go? Well, these handy compartments are ready for you. The built-in battery can support a full smartphone charge for up to 7 times, or keep the fans running for an incredible 5 hours. Worried about getting caught out in the rain? No problem. The backpack, the fans, and the battery are all rainproof. Left the iCoolPack at home or at work? Don't worry, it will remind you. So let's pick up an iCoolPack and make our days a lot cooler.
Our lives have become more mobile. We carry our work tools everywhere, and that's why, more than ever, we need a bag. But from our own experience, most bags out there are not made for the modern lifestyle. So to end our own frustration, we decided to design a backpack from scratch. After endless testing, we are now ready to show you our creation, the Berg Backpack. And with over 10 noteworthy features, we believe that this is one of the best everyday backpacks ever. Let me tell you about it. It's made of a new and innovative material that makes it scratch-proof, cut-proof, and water-repellent. We wanted the Berg Backpack to be theft-proof, so we designed a unique hidden zipper placed up against your back, so you can turn your bag against anyone with ease of mind. To have less pressure on your back, we prioritized weight balance. With the laptop compartment placed firmly against your back, the weight is distributed more evenly and it feels dramatically lighter, a remarkable difference from traditional backpacks. The back panels are made of breathable material to bring extra comfort. From the outside, There are two easy-to-access pockets, one big on the back for the passport or wallet, and a pocket on the side that is big enough to hold an iPhone 6 Plus. It is easy to reach with only one hand. Let's look at the inside. There are protective sleeves for a laptop and tablet. 3 big pockets for a charger or camera gear, or anything. There is a place for your pens. A zipper pocket in the top for the stuff you don't want to fall out. You can also plug in your smartphone from your power bank in the bag while you go. And an elastic strap for your gym clothes or jacket. You can very easily reach your laptop and tablet from the protective sleeve. With traditional backpacks, you have to dig from the top to find what you need in the bottom. We made it possible to open all the way, so you always feel organized. We were tired of the black linen that you see in most bags, so we made it red, so it looks and feels like the inside of a nice suit. Now we need your help making the Berg backpack a reality. We already have deals with manufacturing companies with years of experience in making top-class products, and they are standing by to take care of production and logistics. This makes sure that you get your backpack on time and in the best quality on the market.